Hi, my name is Leticia, and today I'd like to introduce to you my organism, phytoplankton. Phytoplankton are the autotrophic components of the plankton community. They're producers. This is a key part of oceans, seas, and freshwater basin ecosystems. The name is of Greek origin, phyto meaning plant, and plankton meaning wanderer, drifter. Phytoplankton live in a well-lit surface layer called the euphotic zone. Generally, you can find the phytoplankton at the top of this water column. This is to ensure they receive enough sunlight, which contributes to their growth due to the nutrients they ingest from this light. This habitat is ideal for phytoplankton because its location allows for photosynthesis to occur. This is a process in which organisms use sunlight to synthesize foods from carbon dioxide and water. One more fact about the euphotic zone, it can extend to depths of 80 to 100 meters. Now here's a picture I drew of a species of phytoplankton's anatomy. Phytoplankton may reproduce sexually or asexually, depending on the species. Asexual reproduction occurs more often and can be accomplished through cell division. This is when one cell divides in half to produce two cells. Phytoplankton can live alone or in colonies. It depends on the species. Do they migrate? Phytoplankton themselves do not have to migrate, but there is a species of phytoplankton that do migrate, zooplankton. Every day, zooplankton make their way to deep water in the morning and rise as the sun sets. This process is known as a vertical migration. It's carried out all over the world by marine and freshwater plankton alike. The reason for this has been long attributed to the trade-off between obtaining tasty morsels in the surface ocean and avoiding becoming a tasty morsels for predators while they're there. Phytoplankton produce their own food utilizing the energy of the sun and the process of photosynthesis. Plankton have evolved many different ways to keep afloat or survive. One species in particular, the radiolarian, has developed spikes that helps to distribute its weight over a large surface area, slowing its sinking. Many organisms, such as copepods and diatoms, produce oil to keep them afloat. When conditions are right, phytoplankton populations can grow explosively, a phenomenon known as a bloom. Blooms in the ocean may cover hundreds of square kilometers and are easily visible in satellite images. A bloom may last several weeks, but the lifespan of any individual phytoplankton is rarely more than a few days. Lastly, we'll take a moment to acknowledge the importance of the phytoplankton food web. Phytoplankton are the foundation of the food web and their ecosystem. As mentioned previously, they're primary producers, feeding everything from microscopic animal like zooplankton to multi-ton whales. Small fish and invertebrates also graze on the plant-like organisms. And then those smaller animals are eaten by bigger ones. This concludes my presentation of phytoplankton. I learned a lot and I hope you did so too. Thanks for watching.